Back to that big hurricane barreling towards the Gulf. A live look now. We've been showing you Galveston because that's where fixed cameras are. This is about 160 miles southeast of where the eye is about to hit. This storm is pretty darn close to being a Cat 5. It's a Category 4. Keep in mind when Katrina hit, that was a Category 3 back in 2005. Of course, it hit in a very volatile situation and position in New Orleans.
Absolutely. And CBS 13's Adrienne Moore is tracking this hurricane from the newsroom for us. She has the latest. Adrienne.
Yeah, this is a monster storm, guys. Things are changing pretty rapidly here, but what is not changing is the fact that this could be a catastrophic, life-threatening event. Forecasters saying tonight Laura is in the top 10 greatest hurricanes to ever make landfall in the U.S. Now, right now we know the eye of Laura ready to make landfall any minute now. Hurricane force wind gusts of 101 miles per hour just reported a few moments ago in Cameron, Louisiana, and a string of tornado warnings have also been issued in parts of the state. These are some live pictures as we just showed you from Galveston, Texas. You can see the white caps there and the palm trees there also shaking pretty violently. Rain and flooding also being reported across the Texas-Louisiana coast right now. A tweet from the National Weather Service telling people who stayed behind to shelter in the most interior room of the lowest dry floor of their home. Forecasters have warned the storm surge is unsurvivable, saying it could push 40 miles inland, 40 miles, and sink entire communities. A projected storm surge of 20 feet in Calcasieu and Cameron parishes in Louisiana. To put that number in perspective, that's water as high as a two-story building. Earlier tonight, a specialized team from New Orleans was preparing to save lives. They anticipate they will be doing some swift water rescues overnight and into tomorrow. Now, within the last few minutes, a Texas sheriff's office tweeted, "If you choose to stay and we can't get to you, write your name, your address, social security number, and next of kin and put it in a Ziploc bag in your pocket." We will continue to watch this monster storm here, Laura, and update you as we get new information a little later in the newscast.
Yeah, powerful warning there indeed. All right. Thanks, Adrienne. And now we want to get over to Dave Bender in the Weather Center tracking Laura's path for us. Dave.
Right now, Laura is just coming on shore, the eye of the hurricane coming in. As we were talking there, right around Cameron and also up here, Lake Charles is going to be directly in the path of this. Now, this storm is a big storm. It's almost 400 miles across from the outer bands all the way across through here. We do have a lot of watches and warnings. You've got the tropical storm warning in orange, the hurricane warning there in red. And this storm right now is packing a lot of wind. It is a Category 4 storm, and it will be moving off pretty quickly. And once it gets inland, it's going to start to weaken pretty quickly. So right now, 150 mile per hour winds, just starting to make a northward turn at 15 miles per hour. By early morning hours, it's down to a 2. It doesn't mean that that's not a strong storm, because it is. You're going to get upwards of maybe a foot to 18 inches of rain in some of the spots that are really smack dab in the middle of this storm. Also, we're going to again have that storm surge, which is a wall of water that could push 30 to 40 miles inland, and that's the real big deal with this storm, because you're not going to be able to make it survive that just because there's so much water and it's going to push so far in. I mean, we're going to see towns leveled as a result of this. Back over to you guys.